Right, here we are again, back to a few reviews of recently, or not recently, completed models. This is from 1975 vintage Airfix, an old kit of a classic war race, very common Spitfire kit in its time, one of the Polish squadrons. If you can tell though, the tail is in line with itself, but not with the rest of the fuselage. It's a bit squiff. So the fuselage itself is warped, but I only realised that after I'd finished, so nothing to be done after that. Did a little bit of detail inside, but you can't really see it, as is always the case. The chair, I call it a chair because it's more of a chair than a seat. It needed to have, oops, can you focus, come on, have plasticard walls added to the side to make it more like a seat than a chair. But I've done my best to make this the best model it could be. And the side, I've filled in the wheel wells with a little bit of paper. That's all it took. 2mm of paper wrapped around to cover in the circle of the wheel well, glued in with a bit of PVA glue. And it's not a bad idea really. It works. A little bit of over the top smoke effect from the gun ports, and a little bit of smoke effect with pastels for the exhaust area. But there we go, the Airfix 172 kit from 1975, built in 2020.